Really? Ah, it worked. I only threw it because I was close to the door. Oh, yeah, I got all this stuff, and I'll never, ever be able to take it with. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it all. Let's see. I'll take that. Ooh, that was low. I should have gave that to her.
Too heavy.
Too heavy. Oh, you're fine. What have we got for firewood? Nothing. Medical. Not much. Clothing's good. Oh yeah. Oop.
I might have to drop some gear.
Let's repair the bedroll. Hopefully that won't give us food poisoning. It could, but let's hope not. Whew, cool. Eat the other one. Okay, where's the other can opener? We need that. Maybe? No. We'll wait. Let's go see what the Gray Mother has to say. Hopefully she'll tell us what we need to know. Oh, and I better check my rabbit trap.
You've come back.
Yes. I'm still looking for my friend. Anything you can remember might help.
They said there were bad men who came from the tunnel. Your friend, the woman, she must have passed through there.
Tunnel?
The only way through the mountains. The only way she could have gone. Grandmother wants to know what happened in the night. I heard the angry voices, the angry wind, but the rest is a mystery. Go to the tunnel and tell me what you find.
Okay. There are a lot of wolves out there. They never take long to move in once the people leave. Any idea where I might find a way to defend myself? My rifle stays with me, but there might be other ways. In the old days, we used to scare them off with fire, or torch would do the trick. Yes, I already know this. We used to make them out of pieces of wood, a rag dipped in kerosene. I'll keep it in mind, thanks. Mountain blizzards blow through here from time to time. People get stuck indoors or worse. Worse? Yeah, they get stuck outside. They wander in circles only to die within reach of their homes, even when they are right there in front of them. And they say Grey Mother is blind. Take some soup before you go. Thanks. Trust. Okay. Give items. Can opener. I thought I gave her that stuff. Oh, there we go. You want a stick? Okay. Like you has probably lived a pretty comfortable life. I mean, no better than most people. No worse. Out here, people understand the value of hard work, good tools, and working with their hands. I can handle myself. We'll see. See, the most important tool out here is a good hatchet or knife. Keeping them sharp is the secret. I'll keep that in mind. Medical emergencies. We do what we always do. We take care of our own. Well, what about outsiders? I can see you'll need help. I heard gossip that Millers keep some kind of supply kit hidden in their back garden. Millers. Goods they smuggled in from the mainland and didn't want anyone to know about. If you can find them, you should take them. You'll need them. You mentioned the collapse a couple times. I know it's been rough, but you can't imagine it, Mainlander. We were already on our knees. I'd like to understand how it affected Milton and other areas more. I had no idea. Exactly. Let me tell you how it was. So the outsider wants to know more about Milton. Yeah, I'm curious. What would happen here? To understand Milton, you have to understand the collapse. I mean, I know about the quakes. We experienced them too on the mainland. Not like this, you didn't. Okay. Okay, journal updated knowledge. Investigate the tunnel leading out of Milton. I haven't seen a tunnel. Must be past the gas station, I would imagine. Current needs. So I gotta keep bringing her stuff? Apparently I do. So, not too much of that. Bring her a lot of sticks and mushrooms, I guess. And more rabbit pelts. I have plenty of those. Okay, am I carrying too much? I'm carrying quite a bit. Let's drink that. Okay, we're good to go. Now there's the wolf. We'll take the long way around. And my snare has no rabbit. Nope. Sticks. The Millers. I wonder who the Millers are. I'll have to look at that on the way back. Yeah, good enough. Tunnel. It must be this way, right? Or could it be... Well, that's just a trail. What's that? Carcass with a wolf eating. Oh yeah, there it is. Looks like an orange jumpsuit for a convict. Yep. Crashed prison bus. Following felons are slated for immediate transfer to Black Rock Federal Penitentiary. Scheduled arrival Thursday, November XX 20XX. S. White, K. Irving, D. Kane, P. Kelly, S. Harrison. Total roster 12 inmates. No mental commissions, none.
This'll come in handy.
Got one dead, though. Oh. Aha. Perseverance. What? Nothing. Oh, easy does it. No way in.
Cold is making my head feel thick.
Okay. So, let's go back to the Grey Mother. Millers. So who are the Millers? What house is theirs? Oh, shit. Yes. Get out of here. Okay, what else do I need? And infection. Alright, so what they ruin? 78%. I better get out of here. Oh, my flare is good. Hopefully they moved on. Okay, so who are the Millers? And where's this stash?
So cold. Just want to lay down for a bit.
Alright.
Come on. Come on. Damn it.
Really? Come on, fire. Need you to warm up. Come on.
All right.
Oh, I need more.